Hello and welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It's a car. The airbag light is on. We need to know what happened. This time we are using Snap-on virus. I would say scan. And then we're gonna wait a little bit to see if I can get it automatically. Okay, Hyundai. Letter H as in Harry. Now automatic. Let me try to sit in. Okay, you see here. I also give you advice that I'm using this one, but it is still like it doesn't want to charge. Always try to leave your machine on charger if you need to use it the next day. Right now, thank God I have another machine. If it's not, I will not be able to do anything. Here's the car. Let's see what happened. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna go only on the airbag. I don't want to go diagnose the whole car. I want to see event 1. What is there? Codes, clear codes, codes. What happened in event 1? Passenger airbag resistance, circuit short to ground, stage 2. We have an airbag there. That airbag, it look like either the airbag is deployed or the airbag have a problem. So let me go back. Stage 2, you know the airbag, this is a code B148700. Let me go back to see something now. I want to read the code again. I want to check this code. I will go back. Passenger airbag resistance. Okay, we have the code. Second stage. That means you have 2 stages. Stage 1 and stage 2. I want to go back again. Event 2. Codes. Same thing. So I'm gonna go disconnect take the glove compartment out, look at the wiring diagram there and see what they say. This car have an accident but nothing deployed. So I'm gonna try to look at that first and see what happened. System information or identification. That's the part number. System test. The variant code. Okay, I'm gonna exit. So what I need to do, we already have the code. We have to take that side out and look at the wiring diagram. What happened? Always eat healthy food. You see my customer? You have a good thing there. So this is a car from outside. I'm gonna take this one here and I will look if I can get through the place where say airbag. Wow. It looks like I have to take all this unit out, or if I have access here, but the main menu is that this thing have to come out. All these places here come out. I don't know how big have to come out, but we know that. Or maybe I have to get it through here. I don't know. I need to get it in. See here? And then I see